In this video, we're going to import a job. To import a job, you select Open, find your part. Find whatever parts, multiple parts, anything you nested, double click, open it up. So, real simple thing there. You can open these and run them at different times, whenever you want, you know, anything itself. So, now, if I was going to cut this, I can look right here and I can see what size of steel that it is that I cut this part out on. Now, if you try and cut this on 1/4 inch steel, but it says 3/8 right here, it's not going to run very well, or 65 amps. So, that being said, whatever you decide to open from the past, you need to also double check and make sure that everything is fine. I'll then go back to here, and there's my part.